Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to go through the order of operations 10 question assignment that I gave you yesterday. Starting with number 1, we're doing the order of operations, which means we are doing GEMDAS or PEMDAS. If we're doing that, then we're going to do the multiplication first. So 7 times 4 makes 28. We're going to have a 6 plus and a 3 minusing. What's 6 minus 3? That is 3 plus 28 equals 31. Second question. You would start with the powers. So 2 cubed is the number 8 times 4 minus 3. We're going to copy the rest. 8 times 4 is 32 minus 3. Now that we have all addition, we can do this in any order that we want. So I'm going to do the 9 minus the 3 to get 6 plus 32 equals 38. Number 3, 6 squared makes 36. That was an exponent. Now we can do the parentheses to get the number 4 divided by 2. Here we have multiplication and division. When we're multiplying or dividing, we can do it in any order that we want. So I'm going to do the division first. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 36 times 2 is 72. Next question. 7, and let's do the parentheses first. 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 6 squared. That's an exponent, so we're going to do that. 6 squared is 36. Next part, 7 times 12. 84 minus 36 equals 48. Number 5, we got some curly braces. So let's copy this 7 plus, and we're going to have to do 7 times 5 to get 35. I could teach you how to write those squiggles, but I'll teach you how to do that next week, I think. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3. Let's close it. So we have that 7 plus 38 equals 45. Number 6. We have a 5 on the outside. 6 plus negative 11 means 6 minus 11 plus negative 8. These two make a negative, so just minus 8. 5 times 6 minus 11 is negative 5 minus 8 equals negative 25 minus 8. We have a minus and a minus, so we're just going to make a bigger negative. Negative 33. Number 7, 5 cubed is 125. Minus 6 times 7. 125 minus 42 equals 83. Let's do this parentheses first. 16 minus 7 is 9 plus 72 divided by, we have an exponent. So before we do that division, we need to do that exponent. 3 squared is 9. So we have 9 plus 72 divided by 9. 9 plus 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 is 8. It took me a while to remember that. Not 16, but 17. This part, number 9. When you have multiple parentheses, you should do everything on the top first. You should do everything on the top first, then do everything on the bottom, and then simplify from there. So we should have 8 on top. 16 minus 8 is 8, plus 16 divided by negative 10 plus, forgot to do the 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 plus 16 is 24 on top, and the bottom will be at 18 minus 10 to make 8. The answer's 3. Last one, we're going to do the top first. 36. What is negative 9 plus 5? It's not enough to make it positive, so it's still going to be a negative, and it's going to be a 4. 3 times 25 minus 15. Let's make this line bigger. And now that I'm going to have to do more steps. So let's do the top. 32 divided by 3 times 25 minus 15 is 10, minus 14. It's going to be a 32 on top, 30 minus 14 on the bottom, 32 on top, and a 16 on the bottom. The answer is 2. Since yesterday, y'all didn't do very good on this order of operations, I'm going to give you the other half to do tomorrow. It's not as a punishment, it's just as you really need this practice because things are going to get difficult in a couple weeks. Maybe next week, maybe this week. I don't know.